All right, E36 update. Here she is. She won't start. But before we get into that, gave her a nice little wash, right? Came around here. Whoa, there's cracks in the taillight, so the water went in and it fried all the bulbs. So that sucked. So I replaced all of those, which was cool. And then it also like fucked up the brake light sensor. Brake sensor, which was under the brake pedal. So replace that, and then I went to go start the old car, and then it don't start. It just crank, it don't start. So diagnosed it. It needs a fuel pump, and yeah. So I gotta leave her. By the way, named her Ellie. Okay, gotta leave old Ellie down here, and I'm gonna get Halo Chopper evac from John later tonight. Gonna go back up to the old crib I'm in, and yeah. Also buffed out the headlights. They're looking clear, Jamin. I mean, she looks pretty. I'm not gonna lie, she looks pretty. Just won't start. I'm sorry. Car. All right, so we got Ellie back. I'm pretty hyped about that. Yeah, fuck yeah. So now we can actually start getting this bitch looking cool, okay? All right, so I'm ordering smoke taillights next week, and I want to get smoke corner lights too, because the taillights are fucking cracked. I gave it a car wash, and it fried all the bulbs. So, yeah, no bueno. I'm gonna get the smoked ones, and the, yeah. Jeez, I sure don't know what that was. I kind of slid out a little bit there.